This sequence of videos is a simple introduction to Assembler plugin for Grasshopper. This plugin enables Grasshopper to produce models using simple building blocks that are added to an assemblage one by one, that is, without a predefined form, but reacting to the unique possibilities at each step. Despite starting with simple modules, complex and coherent assemblages can be generated because of built-in rules about the way that modules can connect. With some attention to detail, this can produce spatially rich architecture as well. The plugin is well documented, including detailed example files. Starting with the Grasshopper definition anatomy will help to understand the role that each component plays and how they are linked. The structure of an assembler model is more prescribed than a typical Grasshopper definition, which is a single flow of information, but is quite standard for iterative simulation models. Initial conditions are defined in the setup step. These are passed into an engine that simulates the sequence, and then the outcomes are post-processed, either for analysis or to translate into clearer visualization. This video sequence will start with the parts and their endogenous settings, that is, internal settings, the connection rules, then add them into the engine and visualize the output. Next, it will return to add extra detail in the setup using xdata and simple external settings using boundary meshes. More complex exogenous settings are described in the previous set of videos and can be explored in the example files.